Hello everyone, so today I will going to show you how you could use free CDN and optimize your website speed. I will just share how you could get a free CDN, not optimizing and boost your website performance. So I have just a creative dummy site where I have a few posts on a homepage. Here I have around 21 posts on the homepage. So yeah, you know, it's might be very large website if we are going to use 21 posts on the homepage. So let's see how we could optimize and serve the images from CDN. So at first we are going to install a plugin. So it's called Optimole. So here we have the plugin. Just install this one, and to get a API key we have to submit our email address, and this time I will use the temporary email or the temp mail, so I don't have to use my original email address there. If it's not work, then search for temp mail, and you will find some others. After searching, you will find multiple options. You could use any of them. So let's see if the first one is working. It's not working, so try the second one. So here they have provided email address. Just copy this one, make it active, and it will ask for your email address, so it will send you the API key. Go back to the temporary email site or the temp mail. Just you put click here to give a refresh. Sometimes it might be taking a little bit. So here you say we have got the email from there. Here is our API key. And go back to the site, add your API key and click to connect. It will take a few seconds to analyze and connect your website to the Optimole server. So hold tight. We have few other settings, then we have to configure from the plugin settings page, so we will get the best benefit from there. So let's go to the settings from the general tab, enable replacement. So the all image URL will be replaced and the images will be served from the Optimole server. So yeah, we would like to use this. Scale and lazy load, yes, we would like to use the lazy load. Go to the advanced, enable network based optimization, yes. So it will serve the image from the network, so your server will not get huge pressure or the resource will not be used much from your server. We would like to also serve the CSS and JavaScript, yeah, and you could use this, but I am not going to use this one. Click to save changes. For the size, yes, I will not use the large sizes image, so sorry. So that will be good enough. So for the smart cropping, it will auto detect and crop the image, and enable retina image. It will support the retina for the Mac or iOS device. Go to lazy load. Yeah, I will enable the lazy load, and in this section you could exclude how many images will not fill lazy load. So you could use the first 3 images will be load first at the first impression, and then another image will be load when you scroll down to the section. You could just allow 1, or you could maybe use 0, so all images will be get the lazy load functionality. You could use the native lazy load, so they will not use the third-party JavaScript or jQuery plugin, and everything looks good. And yeah, I would like to use lazy load for the embeds, videos and iframes. If you would like to exclude any images from lazy load, you could just give a class name or the ID name here. You could also exclude images from there. That is the cloud integration. If you would like to cloud, then you could enable this, so all you could access your all images from the Optimole account. And if you enable the offload images, then all images will be automatically upload to the Optimole cloud. Then you could not access from your server, or even you could not restore back. So don't use this one. So that's it. If you give a refresh, you will see the update here. They've already used this, optimizes some images, did not serve the traffic because this is the free website or the dummy website where no one will even know the URL. So yeah, those images have been optimized and served. I have installed this plugin before on this server, so that's why it already optimized, and you do not see much stress there. So when you're going to use for your server, it will show your performance or even the score here. And keep a note that it will only allow to 5K visitors per month for the free version. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next time.